Hi sellers, welcome back to our channel, the ultimate guide for Amazon success. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to create an SEO-optimized Amazon listing title that boosts your visibility and converts views into sales. Let's start with why your product title matters. Amazon uses your title as a key factor in determining your product's relevance for a customer's search. A well-crafted title not only helps your product rank higher in search results, but also instantly grabs a shopper's attention. Now, let's break down how to write the perfect SEO-friendly title. First and foremost, include relevant keywords in your title. Think about what your customers are searching for. For example, if you're selling a stainless steel water bottle, your primary keyword might be stainless steel water bottle. Use keyword research tools like Helium 10 or Jungle Scout to identify high-volume, relevant keywords. Place your most important keyword at the beginning of your title for maximum impact. Next, always follow Amazon's title guidelines. Here are the key rules you need to follow. Keep your title under 200 characters. Capitalize the first letter of every word except prepositions and conjunctions. Avoid special characters like @ pro or emojis. Don't include promotional language like free or bestseller. Following these guidelines ensures your listing isn't suppressed by Amazon. Your title should clearly tell the customer what your product is. Include essential details such as brand name, material size or dimensions, color, quantity, or pack size. For example, instead of just saying water bottle, your title should be something like XYZ stainless steel water bottle, 32 Oz, vacuum insulated, leak-proof, black. This not only improves SEO but also helps the shopper make an informed decision. While it's important to include keywords and product details, don't overstuff your title with unnecessary words. Keep it clear, concise, and easy to read. Shoppers should immediately understand what your product is without feeling overwhelmed by cluttered text. Let's talk about what not to do. Don't include your entire product description in the title. Avoid repeating the same keywords multiple times. Don't use subjective claims like best quality or amazing product. These mistakes not only hurt your SEO, but can also confuse your customers. Once you've crafted your title, don't stop there. Monitor your product's performance using Amazon Search Term Report or third-party tools. Test different variations of your title to see what resonates best with your audience. Optimization is an ongoing process. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button.